was born with fuel in my blood, so it led me to extreme things. There's kids that do and there's kids that don't, and I was always a kid that did stuff. I don't care if that's the last thing I have in my garage. I will always ride and have a bike. I need it. It's part of my life. I'm one of those people that will never lose it, and I can sit back and it's just a passion. You know, I open my garage door up once in a while. I got like 30 bikes in my garage, and I look at it, they're my babies, man. So whether Star Boys exists or not, I will ride every day of my life. You know what I mean? It's just in my bloodline.